We are on M119 southbound from Cross Village, and we're heading into Goodheart. And this is called the Tunnel of Trees. A very beautiful ride, very curvy, sometimes very narrow. So you have to take it slow and easy through pretty much all of 119, whether you're going north or south. So we're going to get to Goodheart, and from there we'll show you what we'll find. All right, this is the parking lot area at Goodheart Beach Reserve. It's called Redmond Township Parks, and so its access is off of a little road. You're gonna have to look it up. So it's GPS it and be careful. Some of the turns are hairpin. All right, we are at the beach in Goodheart, Michigan, and here are the steps that you normally take, which probably about 3 or 4 to the beach, but there it's been overrun there with sand. So all right, let's take a look at Goodheart. This is the beach at Goodheart. A lot of wind last night with the storm, so a lot of these rocks are been blown up to this line, and it looks like good pickings today. So away we go.
Look down now and take a look at what we see. And right here, for instance, nice little piece of epidote, bright green. That's just in a puddle here. Now let's take a look. Okay, I thought I saw some unakite, a very small piece. Yes. All right, this is unakite, this is epidote and feldspar. It's a real small piece, but it gives you an idea of the colors in it. We'll find a bigger piece pretty soon here. One thing we'll do is kind of sweep the rocks, because what you see is just a little bit of what's actually here. So you can easily find new rocks just by, oh, that's a good one. I think that's some unakite. Yeah, that's unakite. It's called Great Lakes unakite. It's not really unakite from the Unakis Mountains in North Carolina. It's Great Lakes unakite. So you've got your feldspar here and epidote, a little bit of quartz it looks like in there, maybe some calcite, but beautiful rock. So let's keep looking, see what we can find. Of course, there's just some unbelievable specimens of feldspar. This bright orangey red is feldspar, and there's a ton of it in here. And then you'll find these little greenies, and those are, generally speaking, epidote. Yeah, that's a little piece of epidote. It's all been washed and rounded from the waves and sand. So this is what you get on the beach. You won't find it this way in the mountains. All right, we'll do a little more sweep and see what we find. Oh yeah, there we go. Another piece of that unakite with some beautiful strands of epidote through it. It's not quite true unakite, but it's a beautiful rock. So let's see what else we got. A lot of sand under these rocks. It's not quite as rocky under the rocks, so not quite getting what I like to find. But here's a beautiful piece of again unakite with the epidote strands running through it, and mostly feldspar. Sometimes it's jasper, it's darker red, and it's very beautiful. So you just never know what you'll find out here. All right. We're gonna go to the picnic table and take a look at what we've got. My bag is so full, it's almost as heavy as I am. So I've got a few in my hand, and we're just gonna All right, here is my bag. Before these get too dry, I'm gonna take a look what we pulled out of the beach today. And the stuff I really enjoy finding and why. This is porphyry. It's one of my favorites. We're gonna make a table out of that, but they're gonna be smaller pieces. This is a type of porphyry with epidote in it, mostly epidote. Some of the smaller pieces I found on the way back are just beautiful epidote. And I think that's slag, but it's interesting because it looks like it's silicified and there might be some calcite crystals in it. Beautiful pieces of unakite today. Just outstanding, beautiful, rich unakite, real heavy with epidote and feldspar, which makes unakite. I found some fossils which I thought would look good in the garden. This is basalt with a bunch of quartz in it, and it's just cool looking. I think there might be a name for this. It might be porphyry as well. So here's a little of that blue slag. It's not Leland blue. Leland blue is real bright blue like the sky. I think I've got some nice pieces of jasper. Jasper has to be tested with a nail to see if it scratches. If it scratches, it's not. If it doesn't, it's probably jasper. It's very hard. You look at the Mohs scale and you'll know what you're kind of dealing with tests. But I don't really deal in these things. I just love them. I take them home. We put them in the garden. We're going to make some sort of beautiful, it's more slag. We're going to make a design in the yard. So all of these rocks with their colors really can help easily define a pattern. And this beach, which again is Goodheart, not a huge parking lot, but there are facilities during the warmer season. And so it's got the amenities. And actually it's just a gorgeous beach. And it runs for easily a mile or two. And again, even if you're on the beach way down and you see private property, it doesn't extend. I mean, you have the rights to be on the beach up until vegetation, basically. So you can shop the beach all you want.